An upholstered headboard can change both the look and comfort of a bedroom. In addition to creating a more finished appearance, it provides a padded surface for reading, watching television, or relaxing in bed. In this review, we'll examine the Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard, including its channel-tufted design, adjustable height settings, materials, compatibility, pricing, and policies to help you determine whether it's a good fit for your bedroom. If you'd like to check out the current pricing, available sizes, or additional product information in Canada, those links can be found in the description below. The Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard brings a more structured, upholstered look to the bedroom without requiring the purchase of a new bed frame. Its wide channel tufted design creates a strong visual focal point, while the padded construction adds comfort when sitting up in bed. Available in twin, full, queen, and king sizes, the Bliss comes in heather birch and charcoal finishes. The neutral color palette allows it to work with a variety of bedroom styles, while the upholstered design helps create a more finished appearance around the bed. The Bliss also includes adjustable height settings, allowing homeowners to tailor its placement to their bed frame and preferred aesthetic. Combined with its padded construction and distinctive tufting, it offers both decorative and practical benefits. The Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard uses a combination of upholstery, cushioning, and engineered wood construction. The outer cover is made from 100% polyester, while an internal engineered wood frame provides the structure needed to support the headboard and maintain its shape over time. Polyurethane foam and polyester fiber filling create the padded surface, giving the Bliss a softer feel than a traditional wood or metal headboard. Rubber wood legs and the included attachment hardware complete the design, allowing the headboard to integrate with compatible bed setup. While the material selection is relatively straightforward, it supports the Bliss's primary goal, creating a comfortable upholstered backdrop that adds visual presence without requiring a full bed frame replacement. The Bliss Attachable Headboard uses wide channel tufting and upholstered construction to create a clean, tailored appearance. Rather than relying on decorative trim or ornate detailing, the design draws attention through its proportions and repeated vertical channels, giving a polished, contemporary look. Available in heather birch and charcoal, the Bliss can complement both lighter and darker bedroom palettes. Heather birch creates a brighter, more relaxed appearance, while charcoal introduces additional contrast and visual definition around the bed. The adjustable height design also allows homeowners to fine-tune the overall presentation of their bed, helping the headboard remain visually balanced across different mattress heights and bedroom layouts. We gave the Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard a design and bedroom fit score of 9 out of 10 for its channel tufted styling, flexible color options, and refined upholstered appearance. The Bliss Attachable Headboard arrives in a single box that includes the upholstered headboard, support legs, and the hardware required for assembly and installation. Once assembled, the headboard attaches using Casper's included brackets, eliminating the need to purchase additional mounting components. The adjustable height system allows the homeowners to position the headboard to better match their mattress height and preferred bedroom setup. One limitation is compatibility. Casper specifies that the Bliss is designed to attach to a Casper Lifestyle adjustable base, so shoppers should verify compatibility before purchasing. Casper also recommends positioning the headboard against a wall or other hard surface for additional support. We gave the Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard an installation and compatibility score of 8.5 out of 10 for its included hardware, adjustable height system, and straightforward installation process, though compatibility requirements may limit its flexibility for some shoppers. The Bliss Attachable Headboard offers more than just visual appeal. Its padded construction creates a more comfortable surface than a traditional wood or metal headboard, making it easier to sit up in bed while reading, watching television, or relaxing. The adjustable height system adds another layer of practicality by allowing homeowners to reposition the headboard as mattress heights or bedding setups change over time. This flexibility helps maintain a consistent look without requiring additional modifications. Routine maintenance is also straightforward. Casper recommends spot cleaning the upholstery with a cloth and warm water before allowing it to air dry, making everyday care relatively simple. We gave the Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard a practical features and maintenance score of 9 out of 10 for its cushion design, adjustable height functionality, and easy care upholstery. The Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard is available in twin, full, queen, and king sizes, with a queen size model placed at approximately $469. At this price, the Bliss falls into the mid-range upholstered headboard category. The cost reflects its padded construction, adjustable height functionality, included mounting hardware, and channel tufted design. For shoppers looking to update the appearance and comfort of their existing bed setup without replacing an entire bed frame, it offers relatively accessible alternatives. For the most current pricing and available promotions, it's worth checking Casper's website directly directly using the links in the description. The Bliss Attachable Headboard is backed by Casper's 30-night furniture trial and 2-year limited warranty. The trial period allows shoppers to evaluate the headboard in their own home before making it a long-term decision. If the Bliss isn't the right fit, Casper's customer care team can assist with the return process. The 2-year limited warranty provides coverage for eligible manufacturing defects and workmanship issues. The Casper Bliss Attachable Headboard is a strong option for shoppers who want a more polished, upholstered look without replacing their existing bed frame. The adjustable height system adds useful flexibility, allowing the headboard to adapt to different mattress heights and bedroom setups over time. Combined with its neutral color options and straightforward installation process, the Bliss offers an easy way to refresh the look and feel of a bedroom. If you'd like to check the current pricing, available sizes, or additional product information in Canada, you can find those links in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions.